Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to talk about a crucial step in boosting your business visibility online, adding your business to Google Maps. This simple process can help customers find you more easily, whether they're searching on their computers or mobile devices. Let's get started. First, why is having your business on Google Maps so important? It improves your online visibility and enhances your credibility. When customers see your business listed, they know it's legitimate and can easily find all the essential details they need, like your address, phone number, and website. Now, let's dive into the steps to add your business to Google Maps. Step 1. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, go to the Google account creation page. Fill in your details like your name, username, and password, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. If you already have a Google account, simply go to the Google sign-in page and log in. Step 2. Access Google My Business. Navigate to the Google My Business website by typing Google My Business into your web browser's address bar. Click on the official link and sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 3. Add your business. Visit Google Maps on your computer or mobile device. Look for the option that says Add your business to Google and click on it to begin. Search for your business name on Google Maps to make sure it's not already listed. If you find your business, you can claim it instead of adding it again. Step 4. Enter business information. Provide basic details like your business name, category, and location. Add your contact details such as phone number and website so customers can reach you easily. Step 5. Specify service area. If your business serves customers at their location, like a delivery service, you can set up service areas. This helps customers know where you operate without needing a physical storefront. Step 6. Add business hours. Enter your regular operating hours on Google Maps. This tells customers when you're open for business. You can also add special hours for holidays or events. Step 7. Complete your business profile. Add a description of your business, upload photos and videos that showcase your products or services, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 8. Verify your business. Verification is crucial to ensure your business appears correctly on Google Maps. You can verify by postcard, phone, or email. Each method aims to ensure accuracy and authenticity. Step 9. Optimize your listing. Choose multiple relevant categories, provide detailed information about your services, and include special attributes. This helps Google match your business with relevant searches. Step 10. Manage and update your listing. Regularly check and respond to customer reviews, post updates about new products or promotions, and ensure your information is always current. Troubleshooting common issues. If you find duplicate listings, request to merge or remove them through your Google My Business account. If you encounter verification problems, make sure your information is accurate and contact Google My Business support if needed. By following these steps, you can ensure that your business is visible on Google Maps and attract more customers to your location. Keeping your business listing updated with accurate information helps build trust and makes it easier for customers to reach you. Thank you for watching Truehost Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business online. See you next time.